I love baking with fresh seasonal fruits. Peaches were in season from last few months, so I decided to bake something with them. So here comes the recipe for fresh peach and walnut muffins, and that too without egg. So let's go and make them. So first of all, take some flax seeds and just powder them. And now take half tablespoon of ground flax seed and add 1.5 tablespoon of warm water in it. Just give it a quick mix and keep aside for later use. And now I'm going to take a medium or bowl and I'm going to add some butter into this. And now I'm adding brown sugar. And I'm just going to beat these together. Once this is mixed, I'm going to add into this the flaxseed mixture, curd and vanilla. And once again I'm going to mix all of these together until they are well combined. So once this is combined, I'm going to add the flour into this, the baking powder, baking soda and pinch of salt. And now just mix it with the gentle hands. So once this is all mixed and the dough starts to come together, I'm going to add into this the peach pieces. You can take 2 to 3 peaches and cut them in cubes. I'm also adding some walnut which are toasted. Now just gently mix these together. And now I'm going to divide the batter between the prepared liners. I think these will make 6 or 7 muffins. Now at the end I'm going to sprinkle some brown sugar and cinnamon powder on top of the muffins. So here it is, the 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just mix these together. And I'm going to sprinkle these on top of the muffins. So these are 7 muffins in total. So if you're craving muffins as an evening snack and you don't have much time, or you don't want to make a big batch, just want to make a small batch, these are the perfect ones. And now I'm going to bake these in my preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. So our peach and walnut muffins are now done. Just look at the beautiful golden brown color on top. So this is how it looks from inside. Such a moist and soft. Look at the peaches. These are going to be very, juicy ones when you take a bite out of it. Let me just check. These are soft, sweet and packed with sweet peaches and crunchy nuts. And the best part is that they are so easy to make. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do give it a try, and if you try this recipe, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram handle that is Deepali Khanna Ohri, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such easy and yummy recipes. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get every notification whenever I post a video. So until we meet again, take good care of yourself and your family. Happy baking!